Welcome to my exciting service that offers enhanced security for your Excel documents. We provide a custom login or sign-in form that requires a username and password to access your files. Only individuals who possess the correct username and password can open the documents, ensuring maximum protection. Incorrect answers will be rejected to maintain the security of file. Once the user provided correct details, the file will open. Users can easily add new usernames, passwords, their names, security questions, and answers to manage their user accounts effectively. If a username or password is forgotten, users can utilize the security question feature to regain access. By correctly answering the security question, the document will unlock, allowing users to resume their work seamlessly. Once their tasks are complete, they can save the file to ensure their progress is securely preserved. I also offer here access control feature, which ensures that sensitive information remains accessible only to authorized personnel. For instance, as an admin, you can access all sheets, while the cards and profile manager will only see their respective sheets. Thanks for watching the video. See you at Inbox.